truth is I don't really like you. I know you don't like me. It's long gone. We were on the phrases, we were on the pages. I know that it's shorter than we thought. We can keep pretending, play pretend it's fun when we got on the costumes, the show. But we went through in punches, we've been through in daggers, in an auditorium, alone. All the smoke and mirrors are long gone. All the pretty flowers are dead and thorns. Every little thing we do is toxico. You feed me the poison, I've been feeding yours. All the smoke and mirrors are long gone. All the pretty flowers are dead and thorns. Every little thing we do is toxic. It's so toxic. So I'll go, 'cause I don't like this anymore. It doesn't take an Einstein, doesn't take an Elon to know that it's so wrong. So I'll go, 'cause I don't like this anymore. It doesn't take an Einstein, doesn't take an Elon to know that it's so wrong. It's so wrong. Stand me, it's alright. Can we just be honest? We break every promise. Don't you know that two wrongs don't make a right? It's imagination, we're hallucinating, making up a story. 'Cause not dead. Time for all this Lord. We'll at each other's stores like there is not tomorrow. It's not fair.